You know you look good when AI generates you the best fucking songs every time you take a picture on TikTok.
You just know that you're looking genuinely more
fine than a motherfucker
when you take a picture on TikTok and AI gives you the best sound possible.
I ain't gay, but I do gay stuff. Like fucking dudes in the back of my truck.
Take a picture and see what sound TikTok gives you. Shut the fuck up.
Hey man, it's Freak Bob. Thanks for answering. People usually don't answer.
I'm gonna be taking selfies and we're gonna see what sounds TikTok gives me. No sexual sounds like last time, please.
You're gonna be brutally molested by 16 autistic clowns.
Taking a pic and seeing what sound TikTok gives me part 3.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye